everybody. Ludo from iBebot. Are you ready to rock? Do you need time to set up? No?
It's going to take a second. Products out. Hi everyone. So I hope you're not too tired. The last one of the day. So I'm from iBebot, and iBebot, we are a Hong Kong-based company, and we are working on environmental indoor sensors. So we're working through a range of products around the sensors that will go inside of the home or inside of the farm. A couple of those are here. And today I'm more concentrating about air comfort, which is our first flagship product. So to make it more interesting for you and that you don't run away, I have two products that I will be giving away at the end of the talk. So if you want to drop a name card, and I will pick up two. Marlene probably will help me to pick up two cards. So air comfort is pretty much a connected device that measure different elements. This first product is looking about temperature and humidity, and then to which we are gathering the data in order to give information for the consumer. So build-up of the product is pretty simple. We have this one, yeah, is that working? Sensors part, then we have a radio element, and the plastic and the battery. When we are building up products at iBebot, we are thinking about three elements. The first element is the product have to be simple, so we try to do products with no patterns. The second element is the product have to be aesthetically beautiful, so we try to do products that is pleasing for people to have. It's not because we are doing IoT that we need to do big square boxes. We need to do something which is nice that can stay inside of the home. And the third element about the products is affordability. So being able to do products that can come at a price that people can afford. So here we are talking about 20 to 30 US dollars retail, depending on the channels. So how the products works. So we pretty much gather the data through little holes on the products in the front, then beam the data to the mobile phone via Bluetooth, and then work through the information on the mobile phone. For these kind of products, we are working on different horizontals. Okay, so with the same kind of data, we can work for different markets and giving information which is relevant to the market. So first is home. Okay. Taking care of what I care for at home. So whether it's a baby sleeping patterns, so being sure that temperature elements inside of the rooms are all right, but this also be for if I have expensive shoes or bags, then being sure that you have no dew points at home. Second element that we are working on, and this is why I have my little plant today on the desk, is what we call hobby culture. So more and more people are growing plants at home, whether it's chilies, tomatoes, salad, and more importantly now in the US, a lot of what we call hobby culture is about growing marijuana, because in lots of states it's legal. So we are building up together with the app some information in order for the people growing plants at home to know what are the different timing for changing the environment. Third element is farming. So you might or might not know it, but actually animals in farms also have stress, and stress based on the environmental elements. So by those sensors, we're able to gather data and then able to find what is the THI, stress index of the animals, that help them to live longer, give more milk, more eggs, etc. And the third element is pharmaceutical. So here we are talking about moving organs or moving medicine, where you need to be sure that at any given point of time, the temperature, humidity, and different elements are always kept at the same level. So how the product works. So it's pretty simple. Okay, as I said, gather the data on the product, send it to the mobile phone. So you can set up on your app different comfort level for your room, different alarms, and then it keeps you informed about what's happening and what you don't want happening. Okay. When we are talking about farming, so this is my little cow here. which is giving me that the level of THI 75. That means it's not very good for the cow. You need to put more ventilation. And then if we are talking about home growing, horticulture, here we are selecting on the horticulture mode. We are selecting what kind of plants you want to be growing. Different plants will have different seeding time, different growing time. So this is what it helps you to find out. Here, this is all the setups that we can have on the elements. So if you win one, you can play with it and see how it's very easy to use. Last but not least is gathering data. So we are able on our platform to pick up all the data from the sensors around the world. So once we are hitting critical mass, we are talking about 100,000 sensors installed around the world. We will be capturing a couple of billions set of data. That where we can start to do data mining and then relate between indoor information, outdoor information, and then work even better algorithm on the elements that we are doing.